Hey everybody, you ever wonder why people are moving to Southeast Ohio and they are not leaving, they just stay here? Well, I may have some answers for that for you today. Hey, this is Brian Kapple. I'm with Plum Realty. I'm here in beautiful Southeast Ohio where the back roads are scenic, the communities are close knit, and the cost of living is still somewhat reasonable. If you've been hearing more people talk about moving to Athens County, Hocking Hills, Meigs, or Washington counties, well, there's a reason for that. And today I'm going to break it down for you. One of the biggest reasons people are coming here is simple. Your money goes further. In Southeast Ohio, you can still buy a home with land, a small farm, a cabin or investment property for what a starter home costs in many cities. That attracts retirees, remote workers, families, and even investors. People want space, privacy, and affordability, and this region delivers all three. Southeast Ohio offers something most places can't: quiet without being isolated. You've got Hocking Hills, Wayne National Forest, Ohio River communities, college town energy in Athens, Ohio, small town living experience everywhere else. People move here because they want fewer crowds, less traffic, more outdoors, and a slower pace of life. And once they get here, they rarely leave. This is one of the last parts of Ohio where land is still affordable, rental demand is strong, short-term rentals perform well, and long-term appreciation is steady. We're seeing more buyers looking for acreage, cabins, rental properties, and multi-use land. Southeast Ohio is not just a place to live. It's a place to invest. If you're thinking about moving here, buying land, or investing, Southeast Ohio offers a mix of affordability, lifestyle, and opportunity that's hard to find anywhere else. If you have any questions about the local market, property values, or what's available, feel free to reach out to me. Hey everybody, again, I'm Brian Kapple with Plum Realty here in Athens, Ohio. I'm your Athens, Ohio realtor, and I'll see you on the back roads. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and again, give me a call if you have any questions. Hope everybody has a blessed day. Thanks so much.